Hello, it's Michelle from Common Threads Quilting and Yarn. Today I'm here to show you how to crochet these beautiful dishcloths using the Tulip stitch. And for our yarn, we are using 100% Cotton Supreme, which you can find in all these beautiful colors in our store. So let's get started. So the first thing you're going to want to do is make your slip knot. And you want to loosely chain 26 stitches. Once you have your 26 stitches, you're going to want to go back. So what we're going to do is we're going to skip this first stitch where it's going to be our turning chain, and we're going to go into the back, not the back loop, but the actual back. If you look on the back, you can see the little bumps. I'm not sure what they're called, but I call them bumps. And you single crochet into each one of them. And this will give you a nice edge when you're finished your work. You should have 25 single crochets. So you want to chain one, turn your work, and you want to single crochet another 25 all the way down to the end. When you get to the end, you chain one, you turn your work, and you single crochet another row. So we want 4 rows all together. So I'm working on my second. Go ahead and single crochet 4 rows, and I'll meet you back when we're done. I have finished my 4 rows and I'm ready to change colors. So I'm going to leave my 2 loops on the hook. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to cut this. And then I'm going to take my green and I'm going to just thread it through, grab it on the hook and just pull it through both of my loops. Chain 1, 2, and then you want to turn your work. What I try to do when I'm working backwards with a new color is try to kind of trap that color in behind my work. So I'm going to do what is called a, I guess it's sort of like a bobble. You go to make a double crochet, you only yarn over and you only pull it through 2 loops, yarn over again, insert, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then yarn over and pull through all 3. Then you chain 2, and you do the same thing again. Yarn over, pull up a loop, you have 3 on your hook, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over into the hole, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2, and then you yarn over and pull through all 3. Chain 1, and then you keep going. You skip 3, 1, 2, 3. In the 4th stitch, you yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over and pull it through, yarn over, pull through 2, again. Oh, come on, yarn through 2, and you pull it through all the loops on your hook. Chain 2, yarn over into your hole, yarn over and pull up 1, so you have 3 on your hook, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over, in, yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2, and then you yarn over and pull through all 3. Chain 1, skip 3 single crochets, yarn over into your loop, yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over and through 2. And you can see that you're making these little shells. You want to do this all the way to the end. Okay, once you have gotten to the end, you've finished your last little green shell here, just going to chain 1, and then I'm gonna just cut it. and then just pull it right through colors again to the color of our flower. So we're going to not turn our work, we're just going to go back to the beginning, and you can see in this space right where the chain 2 is, in the first little thing, you're going to hook your new color of yarn and just pull it through. This is a bobble stitch, so we're going to chain 2, and we're going to yarn over, pull up a loop, go through 2, yarn over, pull up a loop, go through 2, yarn over, pull up a loop, and go through 2. 3 times. Whereas with the leaves you only did it twice, with the flowers you do it 3 times. Yarn over and pull through all the loops on your hook. Chain 1, 2, 3. Some people chain 3, I prefer to chain 4. And then you go into the next space in the next little pair of leaves. Yarn over, pull up a loop, go through 2, yarn over, pull up a loop, whoops, go through 2, yarn over, pull up a loop, go through 2, yarn over, and go through all 4 on your hook. Chain 4, and continue all the way to the end. So once you've finished your last bobble stitch, you just do what you did before, just like a chain, cut it off, and just pull it through. You're going to insert your hook in the top 2 loops. Oops, I got 3. Just in the top there. Change colors back to white. And chain 1. Then you want to single crochet 2 in the top of your flower. The next stitch is going to come all the way down here. You can see the 3 that you skipped. You're going to go into the middle one right here. So you're going to insert your hook just like you would be doing a single crochet. You're going to pull it up so that it's nice and even with your other stitches up here. Yarn over and pull through, single crochet. You're going to do another one, single crochet, and then you single crochet 2 in the top of your next flower. Find the middle one, insert your hook, single crochet, pull it up, single crochet, and you can see now how your flowers are being separated. Once you've completed your first row of white, you're going to chain 1, turn your work, and you're going to begin working your single crochets all the way across. You're only going to need 3 more rows of single crochets to equal the 4. You want as many on the bottom as you do on the top. Once you get to the end of your 4th row, you're going to chain 2, turn your work, and you're going to do half double crochets. So you yarn over into your hole, bring up a loop, and change over, and you pull through all 3. So for this video, I'm going to change colors right here. So I'm going to change to pink. I'm going to chain 1, turn your work, and you'll notice on a half double crochet there are 1, 2, 3 loops in this stitch. 1 here, 1 in the center, and 1 on the other side. What we want to do is we want to single crochet into the center loop only. That's a single crochet. Your next stitch will be a double crochet. So a double crochet and then a single crochet, and you just alternate between single and doubles all the way to the end. You want to do about 8 rows of this, and you'll notice as you're going that you'll get a nice little ridge because you're only using the middle loop of the 3 loops, so you'll get a nice little ridge on each side that'll kind of define where your stitches are changing from single crochet to single double single double single double. Okay, I've done my 8 rows of pink, and I'm going to switch colors back to white, just like that. Turn your work. You want to chain 2, and then you half double crochet in every stitch. Once you've done your row of half double crochet, you chain 1, and you start your 4 rows of single crochets into the middle loop only. Now that you've got your 4 rows of white, we're going to switch colors to the green, chain 2, turn your work, and in this first stitch we're going to yarn over, insert, pull up a loop, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, insert, pull up a loop, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 3, chain 2, yarn over, insert into the same stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull through 2, yarn over, insert, pull up, yarn over and through 2, yarn over and through 3, chain 1, and you have your first little pair of leaves. Skip 3, 1, 2, 3, in your 4th stitch, yarn over, insert, all the way to the end. You'll notice when we get to the end we have an extra stitch. So what I'm going to do is yarn over, and I'm going to kind of stitch them together like that. I'm going to go through 3 loops. Yarn over into the last one, chain 2, oh, I already cut my yarn, 2, and through 3. Then you chain 1 and pull it through. We're ready to make our tulips, so we're going to insert our hook into the center of our leaves, pull up a loop of pink, chain 2, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over through 2, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over through 2, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over through 2, and yarn over and through all the loops on the hook. Chain 4, exactly like you did on the bottom. Once you get to the end, you just single chain. Sorry, my terminology is brain's not working. And pull it through. Then you start again with your white on this end. You do the same thing you did down here with your white. You do that one, and then you do 3 more rows, and then you finish it off and you're done. And now you can start to single crochet all the way around your piece. So just single crochet your way around, all the way around. So this is our completed dishcloth once we have sewn in all the ends, and I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. If you like and subscribe, I will keep putting them out there. Thank you so much.